So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can switch from Facebook profile into a Facebook page, turning your friends to followers, which comes with a lot of amazing features. So Facebook launches a new feature that allows you to turn your Facebook profile into your Facebook page with just a click of a button. And these new features come with a lot of benefits, of which if you are using Facebook profile before, you understand what I'm saying. Normal Facebook profile has a lot of limitation. One of the limitation is that you can't have more than 5k friends, okay? But the Facebook page allows you to have as many followers as you can. Not only having followers, but turning your friends into followers, okay? And with a lot of other amazing features like audience insight, monetization, and increasing your fan base and reaching as many people as you want. So in this short minute video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can turn your Facebook page into a Facebook profile with just a click of a button. So let's get to it. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do wait to hit that white subscribe button. So make sure you turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I create awesome videos like this that will help you make more money, give you tips and tricks on how you can go about your online business. This channel is all about business, influence, and impact. My name is Uhunoma Evans, and this is what we do here. So let's get to the video. Alright guys, so this is the Facebook newsfeed. So once you're on your Facebook app, this is what you see on your newsfeed as usual. These are the what you see on your newsfeed. So very easy once you want to turn your Facebook to a professional mode. Now first of all, you come to your profile, you click on that plus button. Right now my Facebook is on a normal Facebook, of which is in normal mode. Okay, so this is not a professional mode, this is not a Facebook page, this is a normal Facebook profile. This is what you see, this is how it look like. As you can see right now, everything is just normal. Okay, but to turn your Facebook to professional mode is just very easy. Now these are the benefits you have, or you have to gain when your Facebook is in professional mode. You have to see an audience insight, you have to turn your friends into followers. As you can see right now, my friends is 2,276 friends. So this friends is going to be automatically turned to followers, of which many others can even follow more. Okay, I can have more than 10 million friends, 20 million friends, as many as I can. Okay, so but when you're on your Facebook page or Facebook profile, you can't have more than 5,000 friends. Okay, the limit is just 5,000 friends. Okay, so this is a Facebook profile. So now these are the benefits of which you have when it comes to Facebook page. Now you'll be having access to Facebook monetization, of which you can easily monetize your content. Okay, if you are a content creator, if you are or if you are a business person, you can easily monetize the content you put on Facebook if you reach their threshold. All right, and you can easily see your Facebook insights. Now to turn your Facebook profile to Facebook page, but just come to these three dots right here, these three dots, click on it, and you're going to see some options. Now you're going to see down here where it's going to show you turn on professional mode. Just click on it and it's going to switch. Now these are what you are going to be unlocking. Okay, you are going to be unlocking new ways to get paid, which is Facebook monetization. See how your posts are performing. Okay, and let more people follow you, let more people follow you. So just come and click on turn on. It's going to switch from a profile to a page. All right, so establish your presence and connect with your audience, many other stuff. So I think I'm just going to click on this place and just click on back, just click back. So now your Facebook has already been turned from a Facebook profile to a Facebook page. Congratulations. Now you can easily just come over here and check on dashboard, click on dashboard and see how your page is performing last 28 days, your post reach, your post engagement, your comment manager, uh, stars, of which these are the tools you are going to be having access to, and professional guide. So these are one of the features you are going to see. So this is how the Facebook page look like. Now to you to know that you're already on a Facebook page, just come to this three dots again and go to viewers. Come to these viewers. These viewers will be, just click on viewers. Now this is how people will see your profile when they visit your profile. Now I have 2.5k followers. Okay, so this is how you can turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page. Simple as that. Okay, I believe you found value from this content. Thanks for watching to this end. I believe you found value. So if you found value, please give this video a like to help this video, help the algorithm recognize this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe and turn on bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop awesome videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.